This is Ian, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and I'm going to show you how to make a table in Google Docs look nicer. So you see I've created a basic table in Google Docs. The text is too big, there's some weird gaps in there, and the text is not, just doesn't look the way I want it to look. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to reduce the size of the text to get rid of some of these weird widows and things like that. So I'm just going to highlight all the text in the table, and then I'm just going to use the regular toolbar at the top here and shrink the size of the text. So now it's size 9 Arial, and then it's size 8 Arial. That's looking a bit better. I've gotten rid of most of the double lines there, but maybe one other thing I can do is I can change the font to something that looks less technical. So Arial is currently chosen. So let's say I wanted to use something like, I don't know, Georgia. It's kind of a classic looking font. It looks a bit nicer. The next thing I want to do is to basically highlight the header in some way. So there's a couple things I can do. One is just to bold everything. So I've highlighted all of the header cells, and then I'm just going to go to the toolbar and click bold, or you can use a keyboard shortcut to do it. So that's better. Oops. And then what else can I do here? I think I need to center the text as well. So the same thing, use the toolbar icons. I'm going to highlight all these cells just by using my mouse and dragging over it. And then you'll see that there is an align, an indent icon in the toolbar. You can also find it in the format, align and indent, and then I'm just going to select center. So that looks a bit better. There's a couple other special things you can do. So for instance, if I wanted the text in these two cells to be centered within the cell, the way that I would do that is click Table Options, and then you'll see Cell, and then it says Cell Vertical Alignment. So I'm going to switch this to middle. And you can see that now the text here is in the middle, and that kind of makes it look a little bit more even. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.